Today's video is not sponsored in any way. What I'm about to say might be a little bit controversial. Hey guys, welcome back to Do It on a Dime. As the name of this channel implies, I want you to save money cleaning. And when it comes to those big ticket items, those steamers, there's a squillion vacuums on the market. Which is the best one? And oh my gosh, you kind of want the $800 Dyson. I am not about that life. You save that money for a vacation. I'm gonna share with you today, in my opinion, the best dupes for those high-end cleaners. These are the things I don't regret, and I don't think you will either. First up, vacuums, and man, do I have a lot to say. I feel like I have some experience here because I have owned Dysons over the years. I can't say I personally have ever bought the $800 Dyson, but I've spent hundreds of dollars on them. You don't need to spend that much money for a vacuum that does the job. Talking upright vacuums, the cheapest price point with the best bang for your buck, in my opinion, is a Shark.
Mommy Shark.
I have the Shark Navigator Anti-Allergen Plus. This thing is great. It does such a good job with suction. It's really easy to move around. There's also hose attachments so I can clean up high. Plus, you can find this on rollback or sales very often, getting it right into that $160 range. This is an amazing start you off vacuum cleaner that should last you a long time. It is super lightweight. It has all of the extensions. If you are on a very small budget, or maybe you just need a vacuum for your basement or your spare room, or you have a kid going off to college, I think this is an awesome pick for the price point. And I see you, friend. You totally want the stick vacuum. Who doesn't want a great stick vacuum in their kitchen? I also think Shark hits the nail on the head. The Shark Rocket Ultralight combines upright vacuum with the stick technology, and this thing is awesome. You can get it for under $170 most times. It works really well on carpet and hardwood floors for those really quick cleanups, and I think the cord length is great. Here we have the Dyson, which is smaller and lighter, and the Rocket. Remember, this was several $100s, and this was just $169. But really, the proof is in the cleanup. It cleans up so much faster and better than other stick vacuums that I have used. In fact, I even just let it go through and clean up all the mess that the Dyson didn't pick up. Poor Dyson, he's trying hard. One thing I realized is, wow, bad vacuums do suck, but ironically, so do the good ones. Is that just me that sometimes these quote-unquote expensive vacuums, now granted this is a few years old, don't do as good of a job of picking up larger items? Like, you have one job. Do you know what I mean? If you want to step up a little bit to that mid-range vacuum, right around $250 for a great cordless, I highly recommend Tineco Power Hero 11S. I think this is great for the price point. It works on hardwoods and carpet as well. It's also very highly reviewed. This has the longest battery life and the highest reviews of all of them. And today, this is really lucky, it's actually on rollback. Check it out. Leave this video a big thumbs up if you like content like this to help save you money. And next we're gonna jump right into steamers. This is my wheelhouse. I love harnessing the power of pressurized steam to blast away buildup and gunk. It makes cleaning so fast and really satisfying. My personal favorite is the Bissell Steam Shot. I don't like it to clean everything, but if you are looking to clean fast, your bathrooms, I'm talking grout and tile. Your kitchen, I'm talking inside of the refrigerator, and trash cans, those places that can be really tricky to clean. It is fantastic at just $30. There is an upgrade to this product. Whoa. And of course, you know me, when I saw this, especially on Prime Day, it went on sale for $119. I knew I had to have it because I wanted the option to steam clean my floors. And I do think once I got it home, this does a great job of steam cleaning my floors. It also has different interchangeable options, much like the Bissell, so you can clean outdoors as well. I really liked this feature, especially on my grill. Wow, did it do a great job. It also has an extension hose, so you don't have to bend over to clean the floor, and it does an equal job of cleaning your tile. But here is the thing, and I want to be super honest about it. I do not think it is worth $119 because it's very heavy, it takes up a lot of room, and it can be clumsy to use. Also, because it's on the larger side, it doesn't really fit well into nooks and crannies like my smaller Steam Shot does. In fact, I can't even use it to clean my refrigerator. When it comes to steam cleaners, there are tons of expensive ones on the market. My recommendation is to invest in a Bissell Steam Shot. Learn how to use the attachments. I have an entire video dedicated to this so you can see the best places to clean with your Steam Shot. And then invest in a good and very lightweight steam mop. This is really great for quick cleanups, especially if you have pets. And dun, da, 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 my favorite brand is Shark. You can get a really high quality steam mop for between $60 and $90. Shark brand, especially on lots of review sites, comes in rated super highly. We have one in our house and I'm constantly reaching for my inexpensive Shark that I got at Big Lots over my bigger steamers. Up next, we're talking about the biggest money saver for your home and the items in it, and that is a wet vacuum. I use this all the time on our upholstery, on our couches. It's crazy what this is able to get up. Even if you do not have pets, the Bissell Pet Pro Heat is a fantastic vacuum, and it comes with a hose extension for more detailed cleaning. I highly recommend the Bissell solution to put inside. This stuff works great, and I definitely recommend it over the Hoover because it's a lot easier to clean, especially if you're trying to clean a larger surface area. But really, the hose extension is what I tend to use the most, and this product rings in at several $100s. It's a lot. If you want that exact same quality, but you're not willing to splurge on a larger item, I highly recommend the Bissell Little Green Pet Pro Cleaner. You can get it for a fraction of the price. And it comes with 3 different agitators. I'm gonna show you how easy this is to use. You just wanna make sure to get the motion right. That's gonna get the best clean. This is also an anti-kink hose, so it just makes it super easy to use. Basically what it's doing is putting the solution onto the soiled area. The agitation is going to be what takes it up. The best way to use a Bissell is a back and forth and up and down quick motion. The reason that you want to not just have the cleaner itself is because what this machine does is sucks out the water as it goes. So it's actually lifting and pulling the dirt out, and it's leaving your carpet drier and cleaner. Overall, I do recommend the Bissell Wet Vac vacuums. This smaller version, in my opinion, is just as great for your upholstery and will save you just as much in the stain department. My sweet friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough, more than enough. Be sure to subscribe because I want to see you back next time. Oh, it just makes it super easy to use. I will tell you there's one person in our family who doesn't like it though. Okay.